In this video, we'll show you how to convert the DJI Pocket 3 UVC to NDI using ZowieBox. Plug in the PO Ethernet cable to power and network the device. Open a browser and log in to the ZowieBox web console. Go to Settings, Streaming, NDI, and turn on NDI. Go to Settings, System, Working Mode, and switch the ZowieBox to decoding mode. Connect the DJI Pocket 3 Type-C output to the USB Type-A port of the ZowieBox, then power on the DJI Pocket 3. Navigate to Decoding UVC, and confirm that the video signal is detected correctly. Navigate to Decoding UVC, and set Work Format, H.264 frame rate, 30 frames per second. Open NDI Tools and launch NDI Studio Monitor. Select the ZowieBox source in NDI Studio Monitor to preview the NDI video stream.